Hello friends, my name is Allison from Dolphin Insurance School. We wanted to make this video to explain the reasons why you should become an insurance agent. Why should you study to become an insurance agent in the United States, and in this way, develop one of the best professions existing right now? With that in mind, on a daily basis at Dolphin Insurance School, we talk to many people interested in our courses. People who want to pass our pre-licensing courses and start a career in this industry, becoming insurance agents. Sometimes, as part of the process of becoming an agent, when we explain the steps to follow, some people get a little discouraged, believing that it is very difficult to get to the end. The two main licenses, and the ones that are offered the most, are the 215 license, life insurance, health insurance, and annuities, and the 220 license, auto insurance, commercial insurance, home insurance, health insurance, and other general lines of insurance. The 215 pre-licensing course consists of 60 hours, which are required by the state of Florida. This latter course, the 220 license, lasts much longer than the previous one. It has 200 hours of content. It requires state approval. At Dolphin Insurance School, we can help you achieve all your dreams. After obtaining the pre-license, the person must sit for a state exam and must show proof to the state of Florida of appropriate conduct. This means that the person must be fingerprinted and prove that he or she does not have a past history of criminal or moral misconduct. Without exception, in all cases, one must have Social Security and a work permit at least. Of course, the person must reside in the state of Florida or another state for which the license is being obtained. One must also be at least 18 years of age. You have to study because there is quite a lot of content that many believe to be relatively easy to take the exam. If you take it with responsibility and discipline, you can soon become an insurance professional. Now, what are the reasons why you should become an insurance agent? Why is it profitable for your future to study to become an insurance agent? The first reason is to create a profession for yourself in the United States. The first and most powerful reason why you should become an insurance agent is the fact that you would create a profession for yourself here. It is not the same to be roaming around, doing low-paying jobs, where if the boss feels like it, he can fire you. It means to have your own business, your own license, and your own profession. When you achieve them, you can choose where and how you work. That's just the way it is. Being an insurance agent is having your own business. This is something we want you to keep in mind, but don't be afraid of it. There are different possibilities, and we can help you in detail. We can explain the necessary steps so you can reach your goals without any difficulties. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars to have your insurance business. Of course, it all depends on the type of insurance you want to sell and the magnitude you want to give to your business. With will, perseverance, and the desire to succeed, you can build something unique without bosses or schedules. For example, when you become a 215 licensed insurance agent, life and health insurance, your home can be your own office and you only need to get the appointments. In other words, you only need to be approved or contracted by the different insurance companies. You can also do that through an already constituted insurance agency. Insurance agencies are always open to new agents since they earn commission for your sales. Commissions, of course, that they do not take from you and keep them for themselves. They are negotiated percentages that do not harm your individual commissions. Maybe you are an immigrant and you decided, like us, to live in a country that is not yours. We know it is very difficult. However, complaining is not going to solve any problem. If you are not able to do something for your life and you keep blaming your circumstances, you will never make the leap you need. Precisely, being an insurance agent is the type of profession that can make a big difference in your life. In the case of the 220 license, auto, commercial, health, home, and general lines insurance, you could also be independent if you so desire. Unlike the 215 license, life and health insurance, for the 220 license, it is unusual to have an office outside your home. In other words, you have two options. One is to work for an established agency and put your license to work for that agency. In these cases, you will almost always earn a salary plus commission. That's the standard pay in insurance agencies. The agency benefits from your license since you can obtain the appointments from the different insurance companies. In other words, the 220 license is precisely the type of license approved by the different auto or other insurance companies. The other option, more satisfactory and lucrative, is to set up your own insurance agency. In this case, you would create your own business and would be the person who enjoys the revenue. Of course, nothing is easy. You must be extremely organized, disciplined, and know how to apply the design of a business to its full extent with all the required strategies that will allow you to receive enough profits and the required success. The second reason why you should become an insurance agent is that your income potential increases by 200%. One of the main reasons why people are interested in becoming insurance agents is because of the income they can earn. And they are right. Depending on the type of agent you are and your willingness, you will make money. Of course, not all insurance agents will earn the same because it depends on having a lot of perseverance and a lot of effort at work. As we have already explained, being an insurance agent represents the possibility of making a qualitative leap in personal satisfaction and increasing your income by 3 or 5 times. However, this of course depends on your ability. In our experience in the industry, we've met many colleagues who were able to make over $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 per month. Conversely, others settle for $3,000 or $4,000 a month. The thing is, sales are not going to be brought straight to your door. You have to go out and get them. People who are willing enough don't have a problem, of course. On the contrary, those who are used to earning a salary in an office and expect everything to fall from the sky, if they don't get their act together, unfortunately, they are not going to be as successful as expected. One of the main elements by which you can become successful as an insurance agent is that here in the United States, everyone is required to buy insurance. Having health insurance is already mandatory under the healthcare law, just like auto insurance is. To be able to drive a car in the United States, it is mandatory to have insurance, even if it is the basic insurance. You must have it. Aside from these comments, based on our experience in the insurance field, if you go into business with your feet on the ground, you can be phenomenally successful. The good news is that reporting, offering, and selling insurance in the United States is not difficult because it is a common theme in the United States. Another relatively new element, just from 3 years ago, is everything related to the healthcare reform. Obviously, in the enrollment periods, you are going to have a lot of people who want to change insurance, HMOs, PTOs, or the health plans they received given the credit offered by the federal government's insurance marketplace. With this possibility, you can make all those changes and you would earn a commission. For example, by getting people into a new HMO or a new PTO. In short, selling them a federally approved plan for the credit they were given. The third reason is the personal satisfaction of being able to help others. Not because it is the last reason, is it the least important. Never lose sight of your passion for what you do. This is very important. Try to offer others all the good things you would want for yourself. Truly, if you want to become an insurance agent just to make money, and you can really make a lot of money, you are not going to be successful. In this job, money comes by itself. It comes in addition because it cannot be the main cause. Remember, every time you help a person make the decision to be insured and thus avoid the consequences of an auto accident, or when you help them learn about their health situations by providing the best policy, you are doing a very commendable job, and you should be proud of it. We all need money, and modern life means having to have more cash in our pockets. However, don't make this your main goal without considering your main provider, the customer. Making money can't be the only thing that drives you to develop an insurance business. Customers have to feel special. That is the only way you will feel you are doing a good job. You may be making a lot of money, but you are solving other people's problems. Thank you very much.